Hi guys, and welcome back to Caterpillar Cross Stitch. So today I wanted to talk to you about one of the brand new cross stitch patterns, which is actually a free pattern which is now part of the free ebook of PDF digital patterns. So this one is called Flyway and it's a butterfly themed pattern. I asked you guys in the Facebook group what kind of things you wanted to see next from me in terms of free patterns for the ebook, and I tallied up all of the results, and butterflies seemed to be one of the most popular requests. There were quite a few other requests which actually I've kind of managed to get into the brand new autumn themed Stitch Along Hello Pumpkin. So if you haven't already, go and have a look at that, because some of those elements that people requested, a lot of them being woodland type animals, may or may not have found their way into the Hello Pumpkin pattern. So this is Flyway. As you can see, it's really bright and vivid. It uses 10 different DMC thread shades. I normally do use quite bright colours in my designs, but this one I thought, let's just go for it. So it's pretty much the brightest colours that I could find out of all of the hundreds of shades. I know we might not have all of these exact species of butterflies here in England, but this is how I imagine my ideal butterflies to look. Bright oranges, turquoise, black, blues, pinks. I love the combination of these colours together, and this is just my dream butterfly collection. It's quite an easy one to start off with. If you are a complete cross stitch beginner, you can literally just stitch one or two of the butterflies if you would like. You don't need to stitch all of them. You can stitch one with then the name of someone if you wanted to give it as a gift, or you can stitch one or two for a bookmark or a greetings card or a coaster or anything really, or of course stitch all of them together and hang it on the wall or turn it into a cushion or whatever you'd like. The stitch count for this is 95 by 84 stitches, and if you were stitching it on 14 count Ada fabric it would be 7 inches by 6 inches, and if you were stitching it on 16 count Ada it would be 6 inches by 5 inches. So a relatively small, quick and easy stitch. So I really hope that you all enjoy stitching Flyway. Please do let me know in the comments below if you have got your copy, if you are in the middle of stitching it. Don't forget to share images on Instagram and Facebook using the hashtag Caterpillar Cross Stitch. And also join in with the fun in the dedicated Facebook group. I will put a link to that down below. Just search for Caterpillar Cross Stitch within Facebook groups and you will find us. There's nearly 3,000 stitchers in that group now from all over the world, so it would be fantastic to have you join us in that thriving, active, supportive community. Also, don't forget, if you are a brand new cross stitcher or new to Caterpillar Cross Stitch, you will receive 10% off your first ever order when you sign up for the VIP Stitch Club via the website. Essentially just sign up for the newsletter and you will receive an instant email with your discount code and a free ebook of patterns which includes Flyway. There are also 4 other patterns: Halloween themed, Valentine's themed, cactus, which you can see behind me here, and Early Bird, which is the first ever one that I designed. So I hope that you enjoy the ebook as a whole, and in particular Flyway. Let me know if you've got any questions. You can email me, Sally@Caterpillar Cross Stitch, or head over to the website, caterpillarcrossstitch.com. And I hope you have a lovely rest of the week. Thanks guys, bye!